Imagine walking into your favorite salon in the year 2030. The mirror doesn't just reflect your face, it analyzes your skin, your hair, even your mood. An AI powered stylist instantly suggests the perfect haircut, the best products for your skin type, and even predicts how you look with different styles before a single strand is cut. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's not that far away. In today's video, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is set to completely transform the beauty industry by 2030. From hair salons to skincare, from makeup to personalized shopping, let's dive into the future of beauty. 1. AI in skincare. Let's start with skincare. Today, many of us guess which products will work for us, sometimes successfully, sometimes wasting money. By 2030, AI will remove the guesswork. AI-powered skin scanners already exist. They can measure hydration, pigmentation, wrinkles, and even early signs of skin damage. Imagine standing in front of a mirror that not only identifies your skin type, but also creates a personalized skincare routine on the spot. Even more powerful, these systems will track your progress daily, adjusting recommendations in real time. If your skin is dry after a late night, the AI suggests extra hydration. If it detects stress, it adjusts products to protect against breakouts. Skincare becomes not just a routine, but a dynamic conversation with technology. 2. AI in hair care and salons. Now picture yourself walking into a salon in 2030. Instead of flipping through old magazines for hairstyle inspiration, you sit in front of a smart mirror. With AI and augmented reality, it instantly projects dozens of hairstyles onto your head in real time. Long, short, curly, straight, different colors, highlights, you name it. But it doesn't stop there. The AI considers your face shape, hair texture, lifestyle, and even how much time you spend styling every morning. Then it recommends the most realistic and flattering look for you. For hairstylists, this doesn't replace their creativity, it enhances it. AI becomes a co-pilot, giving stylists more tools and freeing them to focus on artistry and connection with clients. 3. AI makeup and virtual try-on. You've probably already seen apps that let you try on lipstick shades with your phone camera, but by 2030, this will be on another level. Imagine walking into a makeup store. Instead of swatching foundation on your hand, an AI camera instantly matches your undertone and picks the perfect shade. No more wrong purchases. Want to try a bold new look? The mirror shows you in real time how a smoky eye, wing liner, or glossy lip will look, perfectly mapped to your features. For professionals, makeup artists could collaborate with AI to design entire looks in seconds. But the human touch, knowing the right look for a bride on her big day, or creating an emotional impact for a photo shoot, will always remain essential. 4. Personalized shopping and AI assistants. Another revolution. Shopping. By 2030, AI beauty assistants will replace the trial and error of buying products. Online, AI will know your exact skin, hair, and makeup profile. Imagine adding items to your basket and the AI warns, "This shampoo contains ingredients that may dry out your curls. Here's a better match." In stores, smart kiosks will scan your face, recommend products, and even let you order custom-made foundation or lipstick shades that are 100% unique to you. Beauty shopping becomes hyper-personalized. Every recommendation tailored like it came from your best friend, not a stranger. 5. AI and wellness integration. Beauty is not only skin deep. By 2030, AI will also connect beauty with overall health. Smart wearables could track your sleep, hydration, and stress levels, and feed that data into your skincare or hair care routine. If you're stressed, the AI adjusts your skincare to protect against breakouts. If you lack sleep, it recommends brightening solutions. Beauty becomes part of a holistic lifestyle, where AI ensures your inner health and outer glow work together. So, what will beauty look like in 2030? Skincare. AI that adapts daily to your skin. Hair care. Smart mirrors and predictive styling. Makeup. Perfect shade matching and virtual try-ons. Shopping. Hyper-personalized recommendations. Wellness. A fusion of health and beauty data. The future of beauty isn't about replacing professionals. It's about empowering them with new tools and giving consumers confidence like never before. So, what do you think? Would you trust an AI to choose your next hairstyle or skincare routine? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the future of beauty and technology.